Okay guys, this is a 2024 F-250 King Ranch Tremor. Rebuilt title, front end damage, all been fixed up as you can see. Diesel motor. So 5142 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, locking diff, 4-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, all your different apps, Apple CarPlay. Driver assist stuff, Pro trailer package. This does have the sunroof on it. Wireless phone charging. B&O sound system. All your power folding mirrors, power extending mirrors, automatic windows, your power plugs, your lights. This does have massage seats. As you can see. Ford's got the most comfortable seats in the business, guys. Nice truck. See that extends out more, full panoramic sunroof. This was wrecked with like 160 miles on it only, so it's been driven 5,000 miles since the accident. We like to do that to make sure everything is fixed correctly and done. So slow release tailgate, does have the tailgate step, does have the fifth wheel prep in there, all your plugs. New cool gray color. Good looking diesel truck. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.